Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you why I cannot log in my Instagram account. Now I'm provide a solution. So sometime when we are trying to log in Instagram, then not we can log in Instagram. So now I'm provide the solution. The solution number one, go to your Play Store, search here to Instagram, check out your update version. If you don't update your Instagram, you need to first update Instagram. Now I'm already update my Instagram, or you can uninstall and then reinstall your Instagram apps, or go back. The second solution is go to your phone settings, scroll down, find app management, click onto app list, selecting Instagram, click on to force stop, and then click on, and then try to log in Instagram. So I hope you can follow my all process, then you can solve this problem. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.